Can rocket money be trusted? Intro. Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by debt? Like you're drowning in a sea of bills? I know I have. And that's when I heard about Rocket Money. They promise to help you simplify your finances, negotiate bills, and even find you extra cash. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive in and find out. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help you manage your finances more effectively. It offers several features, including bill negotiation. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower interest rates on your credit cards and other debts. Credit monitoring. Keep an eye on your credit score and identify potential fraud. Identity theft protection. Protect your personal information from identity thieves. Financial tools. Access tools like budgeting, savings goals, and investment advice. How does Rocket Money work? Here's a quick breakdown of how Rocket Money works. Connect your accounts, link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to the app. Analyze your finances. Rocket Money will analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. Negotiate bills. The app will suggest bills that you might be able to negotiate for a lower rate. Find extra cash. Rocket Money can help you find side hustles, rewards, and cashback opportunities. Is Rocket Money legit? Now, the million-dollar question, is Rocket Money legit? Let's explore some of the pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use. The app is user-friendly and straightforward. Potential savings. Many users report saving money on their bills. Helpful tools. The budgeting and credit monitoring features can be valuable. Identity theft protection. A valuable service for protecting your personal information. Cons. Limited negotiation success. Some users report having limited success in negotiating bills. Subscription fees. Rocket Money offers a free plan, but you may need to upgrade to a paid plan for premium features. Data privacy concerns. As with any app that handles your financial data, there are concerns about data privacy. User reviews and testimonials. Let's hear from some real users of Rocket Money. I've gathered a few testimonials and reviews to give you a better idea of what people think. Testimonial 1. Rocket Money has been a lifesaver. I was able to negotiate a lower interest rate on my credit card and save hundreds of dollars each month. Testimonial 2. I've been using Rocket Money for a few months now, and I'm impressed with the budgeting tools. It's helped me get my finances in order. Review. I had mixed results with the bill negotiation feature. Some bills were easy to negotiate, but others were a dead end. Is Rocket Money right for you? Ultimately, whether Rocket Money is right for you depends on your individual needs and financial situation. If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances, save money on your bills, and improve your credit score, Rocket Money could be a valuable tool. However, it's important to do your research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Tips for using Rocket Money effectively. Here are a few tips for using Rocket Money effectively. Be patient. Negotiating bills can take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Use the budgeting tools. The budgeting features can help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Monitor your credit score. Keep an eye on your credit score and address any issues promptly. Be mindful of data privacy. Be aware of the potential risks associated with sharing your financial information. Conclusion. So, can Rocket Money be trusted? The answer is, it depends. The app offers a range of features that can be helpful for managing your finances, but it's important to be aware of the limitations and potential drawbacks. If you're looking for a way to save money and improve your financial health, Rocket Money could be worth considering. However, it's essential to do your research and make an informed decision. Call to action. Have you tried Rocket Money? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about personal finance tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.